Welcome to Sanjay Surve Maths Academy YouTube channel. In this video today we are going to cover the remaining example from the problem set number 1.1 of the linear equation of Maths 1 of standard 10. So let us start the video. हा व्हिडिओ सुरू करण्याच्या अगोदर I would like to request one thing. For the previous example of the problem set number 1.1, you go to the link given in the description box. The third example from that problem set is a practice set is like this. 2x minus 3y is equal to 9 and the second equation is 2x plus y is equal to 13. So let us name the equation 1 and the equation number 2 is like this. So first of all name the equations. First see whether the equations are given in the format of ax plus by is equal to c or not. If the equation are not given, then convert in that form and then name the equation number 1 and equation number 2. Now observe the coefficient of the variables. If the coefficient of the variables are equal, then try to eliminate the variable. So in this example, the coefficient of the variable x are equal, so by subtracting equation number 2, subtract equation 2 from equation 1, so we can eliminate the coefficient, we can eliminate the term having the variable as the x. So write down the equation once again. 2x minus 3y is equal to 9, equation number 1. 2x plus y is equal to 13, equation number 2. So while subtracting, change the sign of the all terms of the second equation. So we get here 2x minus 2x will be 0, that will be eliminated. Now here this 3y minus 3y and minus 3y and minus 1y will become minus 4y is equal to 9 minus 13. 9 minus 13 is equal to minus 4. So y is equal to minus 4 upon minus 4. Transpose this. So we will get here y is equal to, hence y is equal to 1. Minus 4 upon minus 4 is equal to 1. So the value of y is equal to 1. Now substitute this value in equation number 1. Put y is equal to 1 in equation 1. Write down the equation 1 again. 2x minus 3y is equal to 9. Substitute the value of y here. So 2x minus 3 in bracket 1 is equal to 9. Simplify and find the value of x. So 2x minus 3 is equal to 9. Transpose this 3 on the right hand side. So we get here 2x is equal to 9 plus 3. 9 plus 3 means 12. So 2x is equal to 12 and finally we get here x is equal to 12 upon 2. Hence x is equal to 6. 2 6 are 12, hence the value of x is equal to 6. Now write down the answer. Answer is like this. Xy is equal to, the value of x is a 6, so write here 6, and the value of y is a 1, so write here 1. This is the solution. Is the solution of the given simultaneous equation. The next example is 5m minus 3n is equal to 19, m minus 6n is equal to 7. Name the equation. 5m minus 3n is equal to 19, equation number 1, and m minus 6n is equal to minus 7, equation number 2. Now observe that the coefficient of the variables are equal or not. If they are not equal, then make the equal. So here we can easily make the coefficient of the variable m equal by multiplying the equation number 2 by 5. So here write like this: multiply equation 2 by 5. So we get here multiply 5m minus 5 6 the 30n is equal to 5 7 the 35 with sign negative. Equation number 3. Now observe the equation number 1 and equation number 3. So subtract equation 3 from the equation number 1. Subtract equation 3 from equation 1. From equation 1. Write down the equation again. One equation is like this: 5m minus 3n is equal to 19, equation number 1, and 5n minus this 30n is equal to minus 35, equation number 3. Now we are subtracting here the equation 2 from the equation number 1. While subtracting, change the sign of the all terms of the second equation. So put here sign like this: negative, this will negative, this will positive, and this will also positive. Now 5m minus 5m becomes 0, means this is the elimination of the variable m. This negative 3n and this positive 30 will become a 27n is equal to positive 27n is equal to 19 plus 35 will be here 54, positive 54. Hence we get here n is equal to 54 upon 27. 27 2 the 54. 27 1 the 27, 27 2 the 54. Hence the value of n is equal to we get here value 1 as like this. N is equal to 2 is the value of the first variable. Now substitute this value in equation number 1. Put n is equal to 2 in equation 1. Put n is equal to 2 in equation 1. Write down the equation 1 here is like this: 5m minus 3n is equal to 19. n is equal to 2. 5m minus 3 in bracket 2 is equal to 19. Simplify this. So we get here 5m minus 6 is equal to 19. Transpose this 6 on the right hand side. So we get here 5m is equal to 19 plus 6 means 5m is equal to 25. And finally we get m is equal to 25 upon 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 5s are 25. So we get here the value of m is equal to 5. So these are the two required values of the variable. Now write down the answer. Finally write down the answer like this. Answer n in bracket, write down the variables n and then write down the value of m first like this 5 and the value of n is a 2. Note that while writing the answer, though we find here the value of n first, but while writing the answer, write down in this manner: n is equal to 5 and 2, because this is the order pair. Hence m indicates that the value this indicates that m is equal to 5 and n is equal to 2 is the solution of the given quadratic of the given simultaneous equation. The next example is like this. So name the equation 1 and 2 first. Now in this equation number 1, there is a variable with the coefficient as a fractional number. While there is a fractional number, then the calculation of the fractional number is a little bit difficult than the whole number. So eliminate this 3 by multiplying 3 on the both sides. So right here multiply by 3 on both sides of this given equation. So we get here the simplified form: 1 upon 3x multiplied by 3. 3 ने multiply या ठिकाणी करायचं आहे, प्लस या ठिकाणी प्लस y into multiplied by 3. y multiplied by 3 is equal to 10 upon 3 multiplied by 3. प्रत्येक ठिकाणी आपण 3 ने मल्टिप्लाय केल्या ठिकाणी each and every term is multiplied by 3. So the equality of this equation does not affected. So this 3 and this 3 cancel. Also this 3 and this 3 will be cancelled. So we get here the simplified form of the given first equation is like this: x plus 3y is equal to 10. Equation number 1. Now name the equation as a 1. In this way, take the equation number 2 and simplify it. The second equation is 2x plus 1 upon 4y is equal to 11 upon 4. So multiply by 4. The LCM is 4. So multiply by 4. So we get here simplified form: 2x multiplied by 4 plus 1 upon 4y multiplied by 4 is equal to 11 upon 4 multiplied by 4. प्रत्येक जी टर्म आहे त्या टर्मला या ठिकाणी 4 ने मल्टिप्लाय केलेला आहे, त्यामुळे त्याची जी इक्वॅलिटी इक्वेशनची हे अफेक्टेड होणार नाही. 4 1 जा 4, 4 1 जा 4 cancel, 4 1 जा 4, 4 1 जा 4, and the simplified form now multiply by 4. So we get here 8x plus y is equal to 11. Equation number 2. Now observe the equation number 1 and equation number 2. In these two equations, we can make the coefficient of the variable y equal just by multiplying to the equation number 2 by 3. So multiply equation 2, multiply equation 2 by 3. So we get here, hence we get here 8 3s are 24x plus 3y is equal to 33. Now name this equation as equation number 3. Now in this equation number 3 and equation number 1, the coefficient of the variable y are equal. So by subtracting we can eliminate the variable y. So subtract equation 3 from 1, subtract equation 3 from equation 1. Write down the equation 1 first. X plus 3y is equal to 10 as equation number 1, and the third equation is 24x plus 3y is equal to 33. Equation number 3. Now while subtracting we have to change the sign of the second equation. So put here negative sign. This will be negative, this will be negative, and this will be negative. This 3y minus 3y becomes 0y, means the term of 3y will be eliminated here. X minus 24x will be minus 23x is equal to 10 minus 33 gives you the minus 23. Hence we get here the value of the x. Hence x is equal to minus 23 divided by this minus 23 is equal to, we get here the value of x is equal to 1. Hence we get here x is equal to 1. Now substitute this value x is equal to 1 in equation number 1. Put x is equal to 1 in equation 1. Equation 1 is like this: x plus 3y is equal to 10. Substitute 1 as the value of x plus 3y is equal to 10. Transpose this one on the right hand side, so we get 3y is equal to 10 minus 1. So we get here 3y is equal to 9, and finally we get here, after transposing this 3 here, so 9 upon 3. 9 upon 3 means y is equal to 3 is 9, hence the value of y is a 3. So this is the value of y, and finally write down the answer. Answer is like this: in bracket xy is equal to, write the value of x as a 1 and the value of y is a 3 is the solution. Now in this example, if we observe, then we can find that the coefficient of the variables are get interchange, and the interchange means adla badal झालेली आहे. And also note one thing, the coefficients are large in numbers. So let us name the equation 1. 99x plus 101y is equal to 499, equation number 1, and the equation number 2 is 101x plus 99y is equal to 501, equation number 2. त्या अशा प्रकारच्या इक्वेशन मध्ये आपल्याला या ठिकाणी कोएफिशियंट इक्वल करून घेता येतील, पण त्यामधले जे कॅल्क्युलेशन्स होतील ते कॅल्क्युलेट केलेले जे नंबर्स येतील ते लार्ज नंबर येतील. कारण आपण जर आता डिसाइड केलं की आपल्याला y चे कोएफिशियंट हे करायचे आहेत, इक्वल करायचे आहेत, तर याला आपल्याला 99 ने मल्टिप्लाय करावं लागणार आहे आणि या इक्वेशन नंबर 2 ला आपल्याला 101 ने मल्टिप्लाय करावं लागणार आहे. मीन्स द कॅल्क्युलेशन गेट कॉम्प्लिकेटेड अँड लार्ज अँड लेंथी. सो इन ऑर्डर टू अवॉइड, there is another method in the elimination method. There is another method. First, add these two equations and get the third equation in the simplified form. So by adding 1 and 2, first add equation 1 and 2, we get here 101 plus 99 means 200x plus this sum will be 200y is equal to, this will be 1000. म्हणजे अशा पद्धतीने आपण ऍड केले या ठिकाणी, ऍडिंग इक्वेशन 1 अँड 2. या ठिकाणी आता आपल्याला म्हणता येईल या ठिकाणी बाय ऍडिंग इक्वेशन 1 अँड 2. आता 200 हा 200 आणि हा 1000 इन द मल्टिपल ऑफ 200. सो बाय डिवाइडिंग द 200 we get here x plus y is equal to 5. Equation number 3. How can we get equation number 3? Just by dividing the 200 to each term. म्हणजे या ठिकाणी आता आपण सिम्प्लिफाइड फॉर्म मध्ये आलेला आहोत आणि या ठिकाणी सबट्रॅक्ट करायचं इक्वेशन 2. एकदा सबट्रॅक्टिंग या ठिकाणी करायचं आहे. 99x plus 101y is equal to 499, इक्वेशन नंबर 1, and 101x plus 99y is equal to 501, इक्वेशन नंबर 2. आता या ठिकाणी आपल्याला सबट्रॅक्शन करायची यांची. While subtracting we know that change the sign here, and 99 minus 101, 99 minus 101 will be minus 2x, this will be plus 2y, and this will be minus 2. These terms are in the multiple of 2, so by dividing 2 on both sides we get here minus x plus y is equal to minus 1, इक्वेशन नंबर 4. या ठिकाणी आपण काय केलेलं आहे की या दिलेल्या इक्वेशनला ऍड करून एक सिम्प्लिफाइड फॉर्म मध्ये इक्वेशन नंबर 3 फॉर्म केलेला आहे. सबट्रॅक्ट करून या ठिकाणी आपण इक्वेशन नंबर 4 फॉर्म केलेला आहे. या ठिकाणी सबट्रॅक्ट या ठिकाणी केलेला आहे आपण, सबट्रॅक्टिंग बाय सबट्रॅक्टिंग आणि या ठिकाणी बाय ऍडिंग. अशा पद्धतीने आता आपल्याला इक्वेशन नंबर 3 अँड 4 या ठिकाणी फॉर्म झालेले आहे. नाउ वी कॅन सॉल्व इक्वेशन नंबर 3 अँड 4 बाय एलिमिनेशन मेथड. सो ऍडिंग इक्वेशन 3 and adding equation 3 and 4. Write down the equation 1. X plus y is equal to 5, equation number 3, and minus x plus y is equal to minus 1, equation number 4. ऍडिशन करतोय आपण या ठिकाणी. ऍडिशन करताना साइन चेंज होत नाही. x minus x will be eliminate, so we get here 2y is equal to 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. So y is equal to, hence we get here y is equal to 4 upon 2. Hence the value of y is equal to 2. 2 to the 4, hence the value of y will be 2. Now substitute this value in equation number 3 or equation number 4. You can also substitute the value in equation number 1 or 2, but the coefficients are large in the equation number 1 and 2. So in order to avoid the complication, just substitute the value in equation number 3. So right here put y is equal to 2 in equation 3. Write down equation 3 again. x plus y is equal to 5. So x plus 2 is equal to 5. Transpose this, so x is equal to 5 minus 2, hence we get here x is equal to 3. So in this way we get here the value of the x, and finally write down the answer. The answer like x y is equal to 3. Write down the value of x first and then the value of y. That is the solution of the given equation. The last example from this practice set is like this: 49x minus 57y is equal to 172, and the second equation is 57x minus 49y is equal to 252. Again in this example, the coefficient of the variable get interchanged, so we follow the method that we learned in early example. So 49x minus 57y is equal to 172, equation number 1, and 57x minus 49y is equal to 252, equation number 2. So first add these two equations. So by adding we get here 49 plus 57 is equal to, here we get 106x minus this minus will be minus 106 y is equal to, this will be 4 2 and 4 424. By adding we add here these two equations and we get here this term. Now this 104 and 106 and 424 are the multiple of 106. So by dividing 106 we get here x minus y is equal to 4, equation number 3. Now subtract the equation number 2 from the 1, so we have to write here this equation again. 49x minus 57y is equal to 172, equation 1, and second is the 57x minus 49y is equal to 252 is equal to equation number 2. We know here while subtracting we have to change the sign of the terms of the second equation. Now here 49 minus this 57 gives you is equal to minus 2x. This minus 57 and plus 49 will be minus 2y is equal to, this will be minus 80. 252 minus 172 will be minus 80 side. So dividing by 2 on both side, dividing by 2 on both side, we get here minus x minus y is equal to minus 10, equation number 4. Equation number 3 and equation number 4 हे ऑब्जर्व करायचे आहे, तुम्ही सॉल्व करायचे आहे. So add equation 3 and 4, we get here the value of one variable. So adding equation 3 and 4, adding equation 3 and 4, I am writing here equation number 3, x minus y is equal to 4, equation number 3, and the fourth is minus y minus x minus y is equal to minus 10, equation number 4. Add करायचे या ठिकाणी, subtract minus x minus y. By adding equation number 3 and 4, put here the sign of addition. This x minus x get cancelled and we get here minus 2y is equal to minus 6. So we get here y is equal to minus 6 upon minus 2, means y is equal to 3, positive 3. So we get here the value of y is equal to 3. Now put y is equal to 3 in equation 3. Equation 3 is like this: x minus y is equal to 4. The value of y is equal to 3. X minus 3 is equal to 4. Hence we get x is equal to 4. Transpose this. This will be positive. So x is equal to 4 plus 3. Hence x is equal to 7. This is the second value. And finally write down the answer like this: x y is equal to, write down the value of x first and then the value of y is the solution of the given equation. In this way we solve the example from the practice set number 1.1. ही जी एक्झाम्पल आहेत अशा पद्धतीने इंटरचेंज झालेली, ती जर आपल्याला दिसायला खूप मोठी असली तरी आपण एकदा ॲडिशन करून एक इक्वेशन फॉर्म करायचं आहे, एकदा सबस्ट्रॅक्शन करून सेकंड इक्वेशन फॉर्म करायचं आहे आणि मग ते इक्वेशन या ठिकाणी सॉल्व्ह करायचे आहे, म्हणजे सिम्प्लिफाईड फॉर्म मध्ये तुम्हाला त्या ठिकाणी मिळतील. So in this way we completed all the examples from the practice set number 1.1. If you like the video then don't forget to subscribe the video. हा व्हिडिओ आपण सबस्क्राईब करा, म्हणजे तुम्हाला या चॅनलवर जेवढे काही व्हिडिओ असतील ते सगळे पाहायला मिळणार आहे. या ठिकाणी या टॉपिकवर आधारित म्हणजे लिनियर इक्वेशन इन टू व्हेरिएबल आधारित या ठिकाणी व्हिडिओ तयार केलेले आहेत, टॉपिक वाईज तयार केलेले आहेत. या ठिकाणी आपण #1, #2, #3 या पद्धतीने ते सर्च केले, तुम्हाला ते सगळे त्या संजय सुर्वे मॅथ्स अकॅडमी यूट्यूब चॅनलवर अवेलेबल आहे, ते सगळे दिसतील. निश्चित या व्हिडिओचा फायदा तुम्हाला तुमच्या अभ्यासामध्ये होईल अशी अपेक्षा या ठिकाणी करतो. थँक्यू फॉर वॉचिंग. कीप वॉचिंग, कीप लर्निंग.